I don't even know what a manatee is.
What?
What is that?
The most beautiful sea mammal ever.
Yeah, sorry, I wasn't taught that in my Canadian education.
Looks just like this.
That doesn't look that beautiful. So what do we got going next?
We're doing our date rolls, and we're gonna put some peanuts inside them and some coconut flakes on the outside. We're just taking off the little
Pits?
pits.
I'm a fast learner.
Man, these dates are the pits.
I'm done. I mean, I can't.
Bad kitchen jokes. They're the
Is that a
best.
thing?
Yeah, it is.
I didn't know that.
Like, do you have the time?
I've never heard of these things.
Oh yeah, there's lots of them.
You have any other ones off the top of your head?
No. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna let you do this. You need to exercise those fingers.
What is this one?
Oh,
We almost had one with a pit in here, man.
that would have ruined the whole dish.
Would it have?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, because the food processor would have chopped it up and then there'd be little broken bits of pit getting throughout the whole thing. Yeah, it'd be terrible.
So we're back. We've moved the food processor. The dates have been pitted.
Okay.
And now we have what to add.
We're gonna add coconut.
Flakes. Got it.
This side goes in the front.
Yep, I butchered it. I knew that actually. I was testing you. Well, what is this?
Well, that's a measuring spoon.
What is this contraption?
Here, you can pour it into there.
What? I'm gonna let you do this. Look at the shape of that thing.
Okay. All right, that's 1 tablespoon.
Okay. This is bizarre. I've never seen a tablespoon measured like
2
that.
tablespoons.
See, that's what I'm used to, the little
This
round
is
things.
vanilla.
Oh gosh. So this is 1/8 of a tablespoon. All right. I did good. I was worried.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, it's moving smoother now.
Okay, good.
Shout out to food processor's little blades. Thoughts?
Pretty good.
It smells nice.
All right, let's put these in.
Okay. Look at this thing though. It's like the Godzilla.
Datezilla.
Yeah, it's Dakezilla.
All right, so scoop out Datezilla into the bowl. Here, just take this off first.
Okay.
It's easier.
Just do all of it in here?
And then you can hold your finger in the blade.
And then it'll cut you, cut you,
Yeah,
right?
don't let it fall out. You know what I like in these is a little pinch of salt.
What, urban there or salt?
Not urban. Definitely not urban. It just has urban air will have like celery and
Oh no, we
herbs
don't need that.
and no. But a little bit of sea salt, it'll cut the sweetness, and then with the peanuts, it's really nice.
I get all the excess out right now. There it is.
Perfect.
Okay.
Nice. This is almost a whole date roll that
I'm
you would have
sorry.
sacrificed.
I'm a failure.
Not even close.
Okay,
So I'm just gonna do a tiny sprinkle. We're gonna take a scoop of this,
Okay.
flatten it out on the edge
Okay.
like that.
Okay, I can do this. Oh, put it in the. Oh wow, I like that. All right.
And I'm gonna be rolling these little date fingers. I don't know, should we leave them as a ball or should we make them into fingers?
I feel like you like the finger vibe.
I like the fingers.
vibe.
They also kind of look like little manatees, which I think is cute.
I don't even know what a manatee is.
What?
What is that?
The most beautiful sea mammal ever.
Yeah, sorry, I wasn't taught that in my Canadian
Looks just like
education.
this.
That doesn't look that beautiful.
So manatees are so sweet, and the place where I go paddleboarding in Florida, on the West Coast, the manatees will just come right up to you and like, especially during mating season, they come and investigate. And I had a giant manatee swim right up to me in shallow water and like start butting his head against my leg, but like very gently. They're just,
Are these things,
they're
do they have
huge.
teeth?
No.
Like what happens if you came and like try to
No,
bite your leg?
They eat algae. They're like the most docile sea creatures.
So he was just
ever.
saying what's up then.
They're so sweet. And then I was like, you're not supposed to touch them. I don't advocate that, but I did. I pet them.
Very rebellious.
These are kind of big, but you're kind of big, so.
I am kind of big. That's not enough on there. I feel like I butchered that.
If you're adding the coconut one piece at a time, it's not enough.
No bueno. One more to roll. Here, I'll do the cleaning. That's a good job for me.
Why? Are you scared of the rolling? You're doing well.
I'm not as good at rolling. And sometimes I have the finger imprints on them where they like give it with my large fingers. You see what I mean now?
It looks kind of like a cigar.
Yeah.
Okay.
That wasn't the idea, was it?
Yeah, they can be date cigars. It's kind of cool. You want to try one?
Yeah.
Should we split one?
Split one.
Okay.
I really like it, but you're the tough critic, so you tell me.
I think it's perfect.
There it is.
I wouldn't change a thing.
Date rolls are in the book.
Yay!